Hello, this is Saman Gauss. In this video, we are gonna create this cool looking Nike website. Alright, coming up. Okay, hey, we're gonna create this Nike website using HTML and CSS. So we will need knowledge of front-end development. HTML CSS is only required in this tutorial. Additionally, you will need to know JavaScript. I'll teach you that later on. So stay subscribed for that. In this tutorial, we will build a nice cool looking Nike website. This website is responsive too, so it is good for all devices. I also posted it in GitHub for free. It will look good in any portfolio too. The link for the GitHub files will be in the description. In this video, we are going to learn how to make this cool Nike shoe layout coming up. But first, if I get 100 likes in this video, I will post a video on how to make a $5,000 website. So stay subscribed and like this video. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna need to get some things downloaded and set up. First thing is we need Visual Studio Code. So go to Google, type in Visual Studio Code, click on code.visualstudio.com, download for Windows, stable build. So download this, get it installed, follow the on-screen instructions. And if you're on a Mac, go to Google and type in Mac Visual Studio Code. And we got this first one, we got Mac, we got Linux, we got Windows. So download whatever OS you have. After installing Visual Studio Code, you need to open it. So go to Visual Studio Code. Make sure you have these extensions installed in Visual Studio Code. So go to Extensions and download the Live Server extension. Mine is already installed. So all you have to do here is type in Live Server and install first one by Ridwick Day. So first thing we're going to do is create a new HTML file in your folder. So click on New File, we'll call it index.html. Then we're going to load up the HTML file boilerplate. Done that? Okay, great. Next, we're going to create 3 divs. 1, 2, and 3. First div, we're going to put image source. We're going to put the logo in this image. Save that. Alright, now let's put some style for the first div. Of course, we have to give classes. Okay, now we're going to install the first header. Width of 100%. color, background color black or hashtag 000. Save that. Let's view it. Let's view that. The image is big, so let's change that image. Give it a class of logo. Give it a height of 50 pixels. Save. Okay. Left 30 pixels. Top 30 pixels. Okay, then we need to give the body padding 0, margin 0, all the elements to have padding of 0, margin of, you guessed it, 0. Save it. Now this is stuck on the top. That. And then we need to give it a padding 30 pixels. There we go. That's better. Let's create the navigation now. So before that, we need to put in the class of clear. Save it. Add the target that clear both, and this sends it to the next line. Sends the next element to the next line. Add a li, home, ordered list, home, about, and contact. Save it. Got that. Let's style it now. Give it a width 30%. Background color of 000 or black. Save it. Got that part now. Let's change the font color to white. Save it. List style type none. Okay. And then let's move on to the article. So article this. Let's add a background URL. Height 100 viewport height. Width 30 width. Width 70 viewport width. Height 100 viewport height. Save it. Okay, looking good so far. Contain background repeat. None. Cover. Okay, looking good so far. Let's just style this nav. Pixels, font family, margin, top. There we have it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Best Coding channel for more videos.